Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find or get Scheels.com promo codes in 2025. So in order to do it, you just have to simply open your web browser in your PC or laptop, and you need to simply search for Scheels promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that are quite legit. So these are providing you different types of offers and promo codes. So you just have to simply open these websites in a new tab, and then you need to hop onto these websites in order to check what kind of offers they are actually providing you. So as you can see that I'm on couponfollow.com, and here you will see free shipping offer, 50% off, and bunch of other offers and deals. Now you need to click on the show coupon code option in order to see the coupon code, and then you just have to simply continue with the offer and conclude your payment. Now once you do the payment at Scheels, you are going to avail that deal. If you are a completely new user to Scheels, you will also get extra perks and benefits. So make sure that you create your account absolutely new when you are using these types of promo codes. You will also see Scheels promo code by Rakuten. So you can also try this, where you can get 3% cash back if you purchase with the help of Rakuten. So I will also try to put the link of it down in the description for your convenience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.